Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL C15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Start by opening calendar. Now you need to click on the bottom right corner 2 times and choose Got It. Then click on the month above and pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. Now click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner, select event and customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, set up starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature by clicking on the switcher next to all day. You can also choose location, add notifications, minutes, hours, or even weeks before, tap on done, take notes, and some other things. Now click save at the top right corner to save your event. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can always get rid of it by tapping on it, clicking on those 3 dots at the top right corner and selecting delete. Then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!